Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Tayler or Dollie the Rebel here, and to start off this look I did start off with my brows done using the pomade from Andrea Cosmetics and P.Louise base in rumor number 5 from of course P.Louise, oh my gosh. And I am using the Juvia's Place palette in Tribw, and I'm starting off with this it's not like a really dark green, it's like an in-between, almost like a kiwi green shade, and I'm applying that to the outer V of my eye and then dragging it into the crease, and then we're just going to blend that out. Now going in with the darker green in that palette, I'm going to layer that on top and just blend that out just to give it a little bit more depth. Now taking that P.Louise base in rumor number 5, I'm going to do a half cut crease, and then we're going to blend out those edges between the shadow and the base, just so the blend is more seamless. And now just taking that same dark green eyeshadow, we're going to blend out those edges again, like I said, between the base and the shadow. Alright, and now we're going to go back with that first green eyeshadow, that kiwi green color shadow, and we're going to lay that right next to that dark forest type green, and we're going to blend that out, pretty much creating a ombre effect. And you want to blend those edges together so you won't be able to see where the shadows start and stop, almost like just to make it a beautiful gradient ombre effect. Now we're going to take the lightest green, almost like a slime green type of color, or like a pastel-y type green, and it is a matte shade. All three shades are matte, so we're going to apply that right next to that kiwi green shadow, and we're going to blend those into each other. Again, we do want a nice ombre gradient effect, and we're just going to pat that in place and then just kind of blend that into each other. Now, lastly, I'm going to use this golden type shimmer shade. It has like green reflex. To me, it does like greenish gold reflex in it, but it's just like the champagne shimmer shade, which really blends beautifully and sets off this look. And I'm gonna put that right into the inner corner just to add just a little bit of sheen, but a nice little pop. And just this look looks so amazing in pictures and videos. Even when I did my reel on Instagram, I was getting questions about the formula. It's just that creamy. And now I'm going in with my LA Girl eyeliner. This is their felt tip liner, and I'm going to create a wing. And now taking my Mary Kay eyeliner pencil, and this is just a black one. I did line my waterline and tight line my lash line, and I'm going in with my NARS Soft Matte Foundation in Macao, and I'm just using my Real Techniques brush to blend that out. If you've watched my my NARS review, you pretty much seen the process, and then I will be using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Caramel to highlight my face as well, just because I feel like when you use the same brand for foundation and concealer or whatever you're pairing it with, it just, you know, it works best, maybe because, you know, the formulas mesh really well. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing in this clip. I sped this up because I feel like it's super repetitive, especially if you watch my videos. But yeah, that's what I'm using for my foundation and highlight. And now I'll be taking my Beauty Bakerie flower powder, and I think it's pronounced is it Casavan, something like that, but it's the yellow shade, and I am setting my contour, not my contour, I'm sorry, my highlight or my concealer with that flower powder.
That's that UE, boy.
And for my contour, I'll be using the Crayon Case Composition Notebook, and I use the shades Bobby, and I kind of mix in Ross and Raven too from time to time, typically when I'm out of Bobby. So yeah, that's just what I'm using here to contour my face. And I believe I do use the highlighter shade out of this palette as well in Trophy. And for my lashes, I'm using the Case lashes. I think they're in So Flirty, but they're just some wispy, or So Wispy. I can't remember the name. And for my lips, I'm using my Mary Kay lip liner in dark brown. Excuse me, and a nude gloss to do my lips. Alright guys, and lastly I'm just going to highlight my face again. Like I said before, I'll be using the Crayon Case highlighter from the Composition Notebook palette in Trophy. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this look. I did pop my lashes on off camera, and I believe that's everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.